With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everybody, today our question is, we have been given this reaction which is XeF4 plus H2O gives Xe plus XeO3 plus HF plus O2, and we have been given these options. So let me first analyze the reaction. So our reaction is XeF4 plus H2 gives Xe plus XeO3 plus HF plus O2. Now let us calculate the oxidative state of every element. Then we can decide which one is undergoing reduction and which one is undergoing oxidation. So here F has a fixed oxidation state of -1, right? F has a fixed oxidation state of -1. So F is 4 atoms of F is here. So this F4 will have a charge of -4. Okay. Now since this entire compound is electrically neutral, this Xe should have a oxidation state of +4. This F4 should have oxidation state of -4. This Xe should have oxidation state of +4. So here we have +4. Okay, here we have fixed, like we know oxygen has a oxidation state of -2, and hydrogen has a fixed oxidation state of +1. So it's +1 here for each hydrogen. Xe, it is, as you can see, it is an isolated atom, so it is going to be 0. Here oxygen has a fixed oxidation state of -2, and we have 3 oxygen atoms, so it will be 3 into -2, which is -6. So this O3 will have a total oxidation state of -6, right? For that, for this entire compound to be electrically neutral as it is, this Xe should be what? It should be +6. So right here we have Xe +4, here we have Xe +6. Here HF, we know F has a fixed state of -1, so H should have +1, so it will be 0. And O2, here we have isolated molecule, this should have an oxidation state of 0. Okay, now let us see which atom is undergoing reduction and which atom is undergoing oxidation. So here, as you can see, Xe is going from +4 to 0. So Xe is going from +4 to 0. So what is happening here? It is reduction. Why? Because Xe has to accept 4 electrons in order to go to 0 oxidation state, and also oxidation state is reducing, so it would be reduction. And also Xe is not only going to 0, Xe is also going to +6 state. So I can write Xe +4 gives Xe +6. What is that? It is oxidation. Why? Because oxidation state is increasing, and for that it has to lose 2 electrons, because here it is +4, +6 and -2 would be +4, right? Here +4 and -4 would be 0, and here it is 0. So to balance the charge, that's how I'm writing a number of electrons. So it would be oxidation, because oxidation means loss of electrons. Okay, now H is fixed here and here as well, +1 +1. O is -2 here, but O is here 0. So O is going from -2 to 0. Okay, so this is what? This is also -2 to 0 is oxidation, because oxidation state is increasing. Oxidation, for that it has to lose 2 electrons, right? Now let's see our options. Our first option is for disproportion. Now if you look at others like Xe we have done, O we have done, F is constant, -1 and -1. So we have analyzed the reaction completely. Now let us look at the option. First option is for disproportionate reaction. Disproportionate reaction means that one element is undergoing both oxidation and reduction. Now let us see if our reaction is an disproportionate reaction or not. If you can see here, Xe is an element, it is going from +4 to 0, it is going through reduction, and the same element Xe, it is the xenon is again doing oxidation. So it is happening, you can see the reduction and oxidation is happening simultaneously in a single reaction. So this indeed is a disproportionate reaction. So our option would be directly A. Okay, if you look at B is cum proportion. Cum proportion is actually a reverse of disproportionate reaction. Disproportion here is what? We have +4 plus we had Xe +4, and it went to Xe 0, and then at the same time it went to Xe +6. Okay, now cum proportion would be reverse of this. For cum proportionation, the reaction would be reverse. It is Xc0 because comproportion is the reverse of disproportionation. So it would be Xc0 plus Xc6 positive gives Xc plus 4. Since it has already been declared and analyzed that this reaction is indeed a disproportionate reaction, so it cannot be a comproportion because comproportion is reverse of that. So it cannot be that. It cannot be either. It cannot be intermolecular redox reaction. Why? Because intermolecular means between two molecules. It is between two molecules. But another condition of intermolecular reaction is that one should be oxidizing agent and one should be reducing agent. Now, what is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent is any compound that undergoes oxidation. Sorry, not oxidation, reduction. It is reverse. Similarly, reducing agent is any compound that undergoes oxidation. Okay. Now here XeF4 is undergoing both. It is undergoing both reduction and oxidation. So it is both agents. It is both oxidizing and reducing. But in intermolecular redox reaction, one should be oxidizing and one should be reducing. But here one is both. Okay, so it is not C part. D part is thermal combination redox reaction. First of all, it should be thermal. Thermal means involvement of heat, but here we cannot see heat. We are not seeing any delta sign here. So D part is also omitted. So our correct answer would be part A, disproportionation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.